the time is 9:23. Wow, that looks trippy. They're supposed to be leaving at the latest, like 10 o'clock. It's not happening. Hey Daniel, what time were we supposed to leave?
8:30. Right? Is that right?
8:30. 8:30, 9 o'clock.
Did I say that right, Dan?
Yeah, it's 10:40. 10:40. We still haven't left. That means we're gonna check in at like, I don't know, between 7 and 9, depending on how many stops we make.
That means I'm gonna be home.
I would love to record this as like a young family adventure, but we can't seem to even go anywhere, so. Welcome to the house, guys.
Excuse me, who was the last one down the stairs?
I don't know. I haven't been in the stairs in a while.
You know our daughter's upstairs, right?
I do now.
Cause ain't
And
no
so
no
does
having
everybody else.
ain't no having happening down here. So that means she crawled her butt upstairs.
She said, it's boring down here. I don't want to go.
It's boring down here.
Time has come, y'all, and we are about to leave. We're headed out to Port Canaveral for our first Disney cruise. Let's do this. Check it up. We are good to go. Let's drop these minions off at the airport, and then we are on our way. We finally did it, guys. We're free. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Not yet.
I'm kidding. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it, dude. I'm sorry. Bye, Daniel. I hope you find your dad. Oh, dude, hold on.
Sir, you were a gentleman and a scholar.
Always, man. You're always welcome. Missed you.
Thank you. Oh,
Good stuff.
Bye.
Good stuff.
Thank you for everything.
No problem. Thank you for
best.
coming, being willing to come up for this guy.
yeah.
No, aren't I the best? Like, who does
You are.
that?
I'm totally the best. Actually, this is perfect. I'm gonna put the bags in the car now.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I'm so glad that the rain held off until now. All right, so we're finally actually on our way to Port Canaveral to get on this Disney cruise. After a hectic morning, we said we were gonna leave. At what time? We said what, between 8 and 10?
We were gonna leave at 8 and 10, between 8 and 10 or 9 at the latest.
Okay, well, little quick tidbit here. The time right now is 1:44 in the afternoon, and we are literally like 10 minutes into the trip. Yeah, we dropped off our cousin and his wife this morning at the airport so they could get a car to drive to Miami, and then we had to make a quick pit stop to pick up some last minute stuff before we actually headed out on our official journey. We were both super excited to hop on the Disney Fantasy for our 7-night cruise, and obviously our little one, Chloe.
Probably gonna start falling asleep.
Yeah, it's kind of her nap time. Her eyes are getting a little heavy, so. So we have a situation unfolding right now.
I
the
wouldn't
cousin,
even call it a situation.
Daniel, we dropped them off at the airport this morning, and
To pick up a car.
and they're driving to Miami, and we're driving to Port Canaveral, And so we were like, oh yeah, keep us updated when you're gonna pass the border of, South Carolina and whatnot. And my beautiful wife, Abby, has been texting Karen back and forth, asking.
She says, I think we see you.
Yeah, so we've been kind of playing this whole text tag thing of, hey, where are you? Where are you? No, where are you? So come to find out, they're a lot closer than we thought. So yeah, I guess they want me to slow down a little bit so they can catch up. They're in this silver Ford Edge that's about to be here. Oh, I see him coming. I see him coming. They're coming.
Bunch of no good.
Oh, you excited to go on the cruise?
That's not
Yeah?
a nice way to describe an old friend.
You go see Minnie Mouse? And Mickey?
What's drinking, Defla?
Goofy?
We see you finally made a new friend.
Yeah, don't mind me, I'm eating my Oreos.
We're gonna end up coming.
So we just got to our hotel here. And yeah, the time is like, what is it, like 11:30 or something like that now?
Yeah, wait. Yeah, 11:30.
We're literally gonna be in this room for what? 12,
Not even
12 hours?
Oh yeah, less than 12
No,
hours.
less than 12 hours because we check in tomorrow at the port at 11:45. Hi, first time go. Welcome to our little humble abode. Come on, Chloe. You wanna come say hi? Come here. Come say hi. Yeah, you dancing? Yay!
Now to make sure we packed everything without missing anything. And if we did, at least we know there's a Walmart literally less than 11 minutes away from us.
We missed something, I guarantee
I
it.
feel like we forgot.
We already forgot her stroller, so we
Yeah.
had to go buy another one.
Yep.
Walmart for the win. We already, like I said,
Yeah.
forgot that. What else did we forgot something else.
No, we bought it. Your dress socks.
It doesn't mean we didn't forget it.
Yeah, that's true. But we bought it is what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
same.
We didn't forget to buy it is what I'm saying.
I can't take a trip without forgetting something. It's just like part of who I am.